Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thanks for your support. Okay, Virgo. What's up sa mga Virgo ngayon? This week. Spiritual awakening. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, you are discovering your spiritual gifts or yung inyong spiritual abilities or spiritual belief system. Maaring yung iba sa inyo mas nagiging connected kayo sa inyong higher self, sa inyong paniniwala. Pwede rin tong may kinalaman sa religion. But this is about your spiritual practice. You are learning a lot about divination, different forms of divination, heart healing. I think yung healing na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon ay may kinalaman sa nadidiscover nyo pagdating dito sa spiritual path na pinagdadaanan ninyo. You are becoming more spiritual, and that is helping you to heal from your past, to heal from your trauma. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng understanding. Oh, Virgo, you are healing your inner child. Yung iba sa inyo, you're tapping into your creative talents, creative skill set. Kasi ang inner child energy is your passion. This is also yung pagiging creative mo. Oo. Kasi di ba mga bata, very creative yan. And this can also mean yung sinasabi nilang healing your inner child. Ano ba yung mga bagay na ginusto mo ng bata ka na hindi mo na ranasan, na ngayon ibibigay mo sa sarili mo. Your overall energy is the Empress. Wow. As an overall energy, this is one of the best cards for you para as your energy. So maaring iba sa inyo very abundant, may prosperity, very productive rin yung week na to, no? So this is also harvest. Maaring meron kang yung mga pinaghirapan mo, ineffortan mo, nagbubunga na. You are also practicing self-love, self-care, taking care of yourself. So kung ikaw ay buntis, no, mas magiging maingat ka, no? If hindi pa naman at meron kang plano to get pregnant, then there's a possibility that you are going to get pregnant. Your challenge is the 5 of Pentacles. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon ng challenge pagdating sa finances ninyo, or parang merong imbalance pagdating sa financial needs nyo and your financial income, no? Yung income ninyo. So, as your overall energy, don't worry kasi mas magiging masipag ka ngayong week na to. You will be working more, or you will generate abundance. Okay? So, itong financial struggle or financial challenge na to ay ma-overcome mo rin. And for some of you, pwedeng indirectly, no, na hindi talaga kayo to, pwedeng a family member na syempre, kung meron silang financial challenge, maaring kailangan mong tulungan, 'di ba? So somehow, merong maapektuhan ka rin, but not directly na ikaw yung may issue. So your opportunity is the 4 of Pentacles. So as an opportunity, you will be saving more, you will be focusing on your financial stability, having your strong foundation, and meron ka ng opportunity ngayon na mas pahalagahan kung ano yung meron ka. Oo, na Minsan kasi we get to compare our lives or achievements sa ibang tao, na mas importante rin na grateful ka sa kung ano yung meron ka. And you also have the opportunity to acquire. Pwedeng meron kang ma-acquire na property, bahay, lupa, ganyan. You have the 5 of Swords as your blessing. May dalawang 5 dito. So, this is some sort of challenge pagdating sa pera. Alam niyo, yung iba sa inyo pwede magkaroon ng yung parang merong conflict pagdating sa pera dun sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. Pwedeng mga taong umaasa sa inyo. For example, meron kang sinusuportahan financially. Tapos, na-realize mo na hindi niya tinutulungan yung sarili niya. So, lagi lang nakaasa sa'yo. So, eventually, pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict dahil pwedeng masamain yung observation mo na yon sa kanya, which is, tama naman talaga na i-encourage mo na tumayo sa sarili niya. So, as a blessing, itong 5 of Swords, I think you will be able to resolve a conflict with someone or a conflict in a situation na mapaparealize mo kung ano yung dapat gawin. Meron ka makukumbinsi na tao na makukumbinsi mo siya sa mindset mo or sa sarili mong paniniwala na ayusin yung kanyang buhay. Oo. Discipline. You are working smart. Yes. Very disciplined ka in terms of your finances as well, no? Kontrolado mo yung sarili mo. Some of you, meron kayong pagkakataon na mag-share din ng knowledge nyo sa iba, like a teacher energy or mentor energy within a few days. If you are looking for love, Virgo, mukhang merong new person sa buhay nyo na darating ngayong week na to. So, para sa mga single dyan, maaring merong mag-unfold this week. Pwedeng merong magpapahayag ng kanyang nararamdaman sa'yo. Let's see what else. Unity heart, you are being called to work on collective healing. So, yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, meron kayong spiritual mission dito sa mundo. Maaring kayo ay isang light worker or spiritual teacher, spiritual advisor, ganyan. Or, yung career path ninyo pwedeng in line or in alignment with spirituality. You are being called to work on collective healing. So, maaring meron kaling healing abilities. Yung healing naman kasi hindi lang yan yung traditional na healing eh. This can be spiritual healing as well. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.